I think Dampare Muno should have resigned on his own. He should have resigned on his own at the end of January. Yes, so a new government in, and that's how they were January. And now the February go on your own, because there was no way Mahama Nini team and in the Bayer Juma. There is no way Mahama Nini. And you see, the interesting thing is, ye Dampare free one of my year, you baya. Just a day, Ameswali. Yachi onipa baako suspect baako in the murder of Ameswali. Enya wawa. Yachi no. Eba ni saying, na information no police service wadada. Ana say, yachi yedi yehunu IGP yehunu ba ye. Ena sa information ba ya na. And now what happened? Was somebody sitting on the information? Was it already there? And it just say, until within the police service, you know, Dampare by why changes be woman, the entire police officers on money. That's the truth of the matter. And no, dear, no correct. Me in the years I'm a journalist in not one of the most effective structure. Ghana police service work a decentralized system. Decentralized system, nature say, na no na me nua hopes in adoye can me share the video no so that I can play it. Because there were district commanders, and there were regional commanders, and some there were national officers. National no so do there were director HR, director maybe mechanic, director operations, director then, director there were munyina hon munyina boa. Usually no regional commanders ni nyina at the same level of IGP. Omina is COP. Obe ne bia de oswa wo mu koye DCOP. Yera Dampare by na make say in the years I me dey adwuma as journalist no. Oh start to cry usually any district commanders no. Any regional commanders in the interaction. Yera Dampare by you haven't seen one district commander or regional commander. If all the district commanders in performance in regional commanders no money Dampare the same rank as the COP no. Not even one. And they man a chance on Kasa. And this is one of the reasons why Ye Dampare na for jubilating. Say he became a celebrity IGP. He became an IGP on attention on all the cameras were on him. Since I hear Dampare by from Polewo to accident, how many times now who say regional commander be Kasa? But media say what I have picked up from within the police service no, as the reason why our police officers no were jubilating over Dampare removal and it's our canker fashion. Was some police hierarchy no, police structure no, or my regional commander Bia Kasa and police eduman on count to me yet. Because regional commanders by Yera Kenyeboa, DCOP Kenyeboa, me minimum from Tamale. He was a regional commander at one of the toughest times in the history of police service. No, already enough. Or yeah, Jumanti, you're promoting from North, the Nebakra. Sana, yani Kudalo, Yera Kudalo, IGP Kudalo. Before Obey IGP, no, a regional commander, whatever. A Juma Kudalo, yeah, no Mochiko Kenya, and the piano, yeah, press conference. No, and everybody saw a top one on the press, the Munina was no papa, or yeah, Juma, a drew no son of the man. So, Sana. Miano of a coffee watch, Greater Regional Command. So those days, no, Rollins a year, 31st speech, June 4th speech, Yakoya, Yakokava Rollins, art center. Misuba who memma coffee watching in the patrol team for you. Any no Ranty macho boys be who do one. He brought that confidence into the police service, even as regional commander, Kofi Boache. As regional commander, your coach, your friends say, Atai, Kofi Boache did it as regional commander. People not here, Konyasan press conference now, and yes, a coach, Atai, dia, or no chinchina, or no Bejian Munyam. No, they allowed Kofi Boache, and for that matter, all the regional commanders take your shine. One hour, yeah, Juma, one team, no coach. And to take your shine, Dampare by name me one regional commander, what you need. One regional commander. It has never happened. Say IGP Patrick Quartier Champion or Papa Free Akonyaso as IGP. He was still loved. Alasan visibility, one of the most effective police or IGPs in Ghana. Any Yera Al Hassan. IGP Alasa, oh no, yeah, police visibility. It was so popular, so effective. Every traffic light to be able to be able police officers. Over so cross the traffic lights, go crown try visibility. And so no crown one casa or G in aye. He allowed the regional commanders, district commanders to work. Me see, ask yourself, then and a yehunu baye. One day, you catch a suspect in Ameswale wo. Itina Ameswale case here very important. I mean, busa question say. Itina sa information we once and a year yehunu ba na. And a year yehunu ba ya no nya suspect ne che no. And no nya information say suspect ne tia wo hate and kwache na. You see, and that is why here Dampare even where they do oko. Eh asema na no oko sorry. Police for no call ni omo ye no man di na chi anko sorry no. Okodasio Sunday. Sorry. What is happening? And yeah, the beginning of starting was excellent. Everybody loved him. Change this or the other headquarters. Only a pentu or no negotiating with government. Na government taught a near mama police service. Why are there? But the welfare of your people no so paramount. And yes, I will defense but you must also make sure say on crop for only ejuma inside not to are satisfied. At least to the best of your ability, no, they are satisfied. But when on call for more inside the field, they say, what can I say? Onye ni nipa dia debut IGP there. Or kwa the cameras in the on unquachi. IGP pole who ye na IGP Drukuma, but there's an Ashanti regional commander. There's an Ashanti regional commander, and Tiadena Ashanti regional commander no, enko pole hono. Asem si watamale na IGP Dru honum. Adena regional commander watamale enko ye hueduma. Asem si wa ashama na IGP Dru honum. You cannot be jack of all trade. At the end of the day, you end up being master of none. It's Yera Dampare Nankasa set himself up for failure. Look at Yera Yehuno. I mean, it was very beautiful. What can say President Mahama on intelligence? Anna? Or no, they are course within the service. Outside. Yeah, money security briefing. Even if we are Dampare now, so you're good, he said, Mahama will not work with you. I'm saying Dampare could have avoided all these dramas and Konwa resigning. If February ending now, say President, me da say Juma or the mommy, me person me resigning. Into my catch, but I'll hang on as acting. Because he say Odi Onipa no ebeba. Into person. Now what you do? What you want monyam? Obiambe Jubilant one cause also he should have resigned by the end of January or February. Resigning. President Mahama no wanyansa. He has been president before. He knows how security intelligence or collecting internally and externally. Or some security advisor. Don't forget, the COP Kofi Boachi. Nya some now retirement as well. And Kofi Boachi wapa IGP wo. And Kofi Boachi now works with President Mahama in the Jubilee House. And you guys say, yeah, for see anymore about it. No, President. The president knows more than us. The president knows more than us, and it's in his wisdom. What the heck? Unkofu edi echire amoye yehunu no. Yehunu has 1 year pay because sent to retirement. But the president stop faith no. What time must do mre? And all those people were even attacking Yehunu back in the day. No, obi eni ewu. Uni me adwuma Yehunu so ne President Mahama here. He's been in the service for a long time. Onya kola police service no. It to me Mekate Yehunu is not a qualified person. All the big shots in the police service, you know, omunye dinechi and omode is very in. Kofi Boachi, almighty, odinechi. Na make us say, yes, Kofi Boachi retirement. That's one. I mean, Kofi Boachi, what bro IGP level. So if you have all these people advising President Mahama, then you know, say President Mahama can never and will never make a mistake.